Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shusha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt. With me is Shweta Rashmi. और Kangana Ranaut is back, not on Twitter this time, but in cinema halls, hopefully, with a new film called Thalaivi, based on the life of South Indian politics की undisputed queen, Miss Jayalalitha. So let's begin. All right, so Thalaivi, a story about the story that we know, but a story also about the lady we didn't know, Miss Jayalalitha, who was always shrouded in mystery. मतलब उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ज्यादा किसी को पता नहीं है, उनका ग्रोथ के बारे में भी कई लोगों को नहीं पता है. Later, it's in a very later stage that a lot of people found out that she was actually a very popular film actress before, who had actually acted with Dharmender. But most people, especially in the north, see her as a politician. So ये फिल्म जो है directed by A.L. Vijay, जो कि एक जमाने में असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर हुआ करते थे टू मिस्टर प्रियदर्शन, उन्होंने बनाई ये फिल्म. सो इस फिल्म के जरिए हम देखेंगे उनके अनछुए पहलू जिंदगी के. सो श्वेता, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन, कैसे लगी आपको ये ट्रेलर?
Okay, it's a very tricky business when you're talking about Kangana and her films. पर very honestly, मुझे ये ट्रेलर बहुत powerful लगा. When I saw it, yes, when it came out, I instantly was sort of taken into her world. It looks extremely powerful. It shows कि कंगना किस तरह की बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस है. No matter what her opinion on things are, no matter what she says on Twitter and all of those things, उससे हम agree disagree कर सकते हैं, but what do we say about her being an amazing actor? She is an amazing actor, and you cannot ignore that. आप कितना भी उनको hate कर ले, but this is one thing that you will see in her performances time and again, right from when she started to now. She's only becoming better and better. And this film, जितना trailer में दिखाई दिया, काफी it's going to provide a good insight into Jayalalitha's life as well. Right from when she's a 20-year-old woman to being the chief minister. It's a huge, and the best part is कि कंगना ने इसके लिए she's gained weight, she's lost weight, she's gone through a lot of transformation. So ये सब चीजें हैं और ये बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से I'm guessing फिल्म में दिखाई जाएंगी, क्योंकि ट्रेलर में अभी तक जो भी हमने देखा है, it looks very powerful to me. So I think I am definitely interested and intrigued.
Exactly, मतलब ट्रेलर ही 3 मिनट 22 सेकंड का है यार. सो आई एम होपिंग कि फिल्म कम से कम 7 घंटे की तो होगी. काफी लंबा चौड़ा ट्रेलर है इसका, काफी इवेंट्स इसमें दिखाए हैं ट्रेलर में. और आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट अरविंद स्वामी. ओके, सो अरविंद स्वामी वाज अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ माय चाइल्डहुड, राइट फ्रॉम रोजा. Ever since I had seen Roja, and now I'm seeing Arvind Swamy back in action, who's playing MGR in this film. To a lot of 90s kids, he might look very unrecognizable now because we have been used to seeing him as a chocolatey hero back then. So isme he looks a little rugged and he's changed his appearance. But Arvind Swamy back in action, man. What else? I'm really excited to see him as well. Plus, I think it captures the 70s ka, the 60s, 70s ka South Indian cinema ka scene very nicely. Like the appearance wise and the settings and all. And जो fan following जो होती है वहाँ पे, which is like world famous, वो भी काफी अच्छे से कैप्चर किया गया है. So I think Thalaivi will be a good watch. और काफी टाइम से मैं देख रहा हूँ. I think I remember seeing the first teaser of this film more than a year back.
Yeah.
You remember? Almost एक साल पहले इसका पहले.
One thing which I was looking out for in the trailer और जो मुझे नहीं मिली was, if you remember, there was this poster. जो कि the kind of the first poster which came out where she's seen waving her hand wearing a green kind of a thing. And this is like the latter part of her life. तो वो पोस्टर उन लोगों ने रिलीज किया था, और उसके बाद काफी ट्रोल हुए थे बिकॉज पीपल वर लाइक this is just like too much on her face, and because she has to gain weight and too much makeup and all of those things. People also compared her to Kamal Hassan in Chachi. What was that film? Chachi 420.
Yeah. She did kind of that. The jaw part did actually look like Chachi 420 wala.
I saw a lot of trolls and memes on that as well. I was really looking forward to seeing that side of her as well in the trailer, जो कि नहीं मिला, पता नहीं क्यों. Maybe it's because of the backlash that they faced, the makers faced when when it came out. But I'm looking forward to that as well. And I hope कि ये ना हो कि हम लोग जाए फिल्म देखने के लिए and we don't get to see that kind of that part of her life, क्योंकि ट्रेलर में तो वो definitely नहीं है. So I was kind of looking forward to it, but वो नहीं मिला, so I'm kind of disappointed with that. But I think all in all,
right,
it's still fab.
पर I mean people are interested definitely. I mean एक ही दिन में इसमें 10 million views है इस ट्रेलर पे on YouTube. So that speaks something, and it's still growing. So by the time this video is actually released, I don't know कितने millions हो जाएंगे. But yeah, like love her or hate her, you can't ignore Kangana Ranaut. Kangana Ranaut is here to stay, looks like it. And so yeah, I mean the trailer looks very amazing. So let's see how the movie will turn out to be. Maybe the movie will be better than the trailer. Maybe it will be worse than the trailer. वो तो खैर जब मूवी आएगी तो हम मूवी भी रिव्यू कर डालेंगे कि हमारा और काम ही क्या है, हम रिव्यू करते बैठ के आप लोगों के लिए. So this was our analysis of Thalaivi, the trailer. I sincerely hope that Kangana Ranaut proves her detractors wrong by giving a धमाकेदार performance. और जैसी फिल्म आती है हम फिल्म भी रिव्यू करने बैठ जाएंगे. तब तक के लिए आप बता सकते हैं अगर कोई और फिल्म या टीवी शो आप चाहते हैं हम लोग रिव्यू करें. Till then, this is Team Shosha saying goodbye. Stay safe, take care, and yes, होली आने वाली है. Please be safe on होली. गुब्बारे नहीं माने किसी को ज्यादा, और गुलाल भी मतलब सोच समझ के लगाएं. नाक के आसपास नहीं, कोरोना.
Social distancing.
Yes, social distancing से ही गुलाल लगाएं, please. So till then, see you soon in yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. Till then, stay safe, take care.